A broker stiffed you. Now what? You actually have a ladder of moves, and the order matters. Let me walk you through how carriers get paid. Start with a written demand, certified mail and email, giving 10 to 15 days. If they still don't pay, file against the broker's $75,000 bond. For smaller invoices, small claims court is cheap, $30 to $100, no lawyer needed. For bigger balances, a civil suit or a collection agency, which takes 25 to 33%. And file an FMCSA complaint to create a public record. One key point. The broker on your rate confirmation is your debtor, the one you contracted with. Chasing the shipper for a second payment is legally hard. Go after the party you actually dealt with. Keep the numbers in mind. The bond is $75,000. Split pro rata if claims exceed it. Collection agencies take a cut. Small claims limits run $5,000 to $10,000 depending on your state. Know who you're dealing with before the load. Check any broker free on LoadWrap. Drive safe and get paid.